Hey everyone, this is Tim from Arcana Networks, here to bring you a What's New with ManageExpress Border Manager in 2021. Now, if you're unfamiliar with MEBM, it is a monitoring tool for your Cisco Session Border Controllers or your cube. How it works is you go to this Devices page, you go to More Actions, Add Device, and this will let you list your cube in the software. Then, once your cube is listed, you can find it and click on the Manage button. And this will show you the different features, reports, troubleshooting, monitoring, all these different tools that are available to you. Now, we have an older video that my coworker Quinn put out in 2019. Go check out that video first if you want to know what all these different features can do, because that video will show you a lot of the monitoring tools and a lot of the power that this tool that MEBM can bring you. Now, for those of you who have been with us, one of the things that you'll notice is new is we've added these 4 different columns which will tell you exactly what monitoring is on or off for each cube device. If we want to update those columns, we can select our device and then go to Operations, Audit Cube. So now that this has run, the table will update. As we can see, CDR is not enabled. Now, for any of the devices that we want to turn monitoring on for, we can select them and then go to More Actions, Operations, Manage Cube Monitoring. On this page, you can select which tools you want enabled, along with some additional settings. You might have remembered in older versions of MEBM you could do this, but that was restricted on a device-by-device basis. Now, by putting it on this Devices page under More Actions, you can configure multiple devices at once. And actually, speaking of configurations, we also have this Apply Templates option. So what this can do is you can make a configuration, a CLI template, and upload it to MEBM. And then you can push that template to all different devices at the same time. So hopefully you'll get some good use out of this one. Also, under the Configurations page, we can go to Configuration Reports. And here you can download or have an email sent of your call history. This will be sent as a CSV file, so this will make it easier for you to manipulate the data within there. You can also download or email your call summary. So this will give you things like total calls, the average duration, the average MOS score. So go ahead and try those features out. Okay, next, we have alerting features for you. So if you go to Configuration Alerts and then Add Alert, you can create a name for your alert and select the type of alert and then configure the different parameters required for each different alert type. And whenever this threshold is met, your list of emails here will receive an alert automatically from MEBM. So this will let you keep on top of your environment. Last, under the configuration section, we have configuration backups. What's new on this page is you can click on this timer button, and this will filter out this view to only show you the last configuration backup taken per device per interface. So this will make it really useful if you want to compare 2 different devices and get the latest configuration on them. So again, those of you with large environments, hopefully you find this useful in getting a quick comparison on the differences between your cubes. Okay, we've made some other changes with our reports. So if you go to Reports, Monitoring, you can now see the CPU history for your cube devices. You can also see the memory history for your devices. We've also made some changes to your SIP ladder diagram. So again, if you want an overview of how to configure this stuff, go check out Quinn's video. Some of the things we've added to this page is filter options to make it so that only data useful to you will show up here. So to edit this, we actually need to go to the Systems page. We'll go to System Options. and we will go to SIP error codes. On this page, you can filter out exactly what kind of error codes will show up under that SIP ladder diagram. I know that for certain environments, based off of who is calling who, where calls are going to and from, different error codes might appear, and they might just be false positives. So this will let you filter out those false positives, so you're only actually getting, the big, bad, scary, meaningful error codes. The last thing we wanted to add for you is the CSIP debug. So for those of you who have a lot of non-call SIP issues, or you have even more complex issues that aren't found in the SIP ladder, use the CSIP debug log feature to have MEBM automatically generate that report of logs for you to view. So hopefully these features are useful for you guys. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.